15 cooling degree days yesterday, which is one above normal. This brings the monthly total to 246, which is one above normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 1,317, which is 30. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver, in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties: in North Carolina, Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, August 17th, 2021. Yesterday's high temperature of 86 degrees occurred at 3:56 p.m. The normal high is 89. The record high is 97 degrees, which was last set in 2016. Yesterday's low temperature of 74 degrees occurred at 5:19 a.m.